Let's learn how to convert grams to kilograms. In this example, we'll convert 1,400 grams to kilograms. To understand this conversion, let's first visualize the relationship between grams and kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. We can think of this like a number line, where each step of 1 kilogram represents 1,000 grams. To convert 1,400 grams to kilograms, we need to divide by 1,000. This is because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. We can see that 1,400 grams falls between 1 and 2 kilograms on our number line. Let's solve this step by step. 1,400 divided by 1,000 equals 1.4. Therefore, 1,400 grams is equal to 1.4 kilograms. Here's a helpful tip to remember. To convert from grams to kilograms, move the decimal point 3 places to the left. This is because 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, which is 10 to the third power. And that's how you convert from grams to kilograms. Remember, just divide by 1,000 or move the decimal point 3 places to the left.